After yesterday's GDP numbers suggested that there was no impact of demonetization on growth, both the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister have brought up that subject. Over the past few weeks, P. Chidambaram and the Prime Minister have been targeting each other over their respective economics, the former saying that the Prime Minister's knowledge of the subject could be written on the back of a postage stamp, and the Prime Minister flaunting his hard work.
जब मैंने 8 नवंबर को रात को 8 बजे टीवी पर आकर के ये कहा कि मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, पूरा देश जग गया, 500 और 1000 की नोट गई। भाइयों बहनों, तब इन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने कहा, मोदी जी हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बड़े बड़े विद्वान, कोई हार्वर्ड के, कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड के, 30-40 साल से देश के अर्थतंत्र में बड़ा मौके का स्थान निभाने वाले बड़े अर्थशास्त्री, उन्होंने कह दिया, कोई कह रहा था 2% जीडीपी कम हो जाएगा। देश ने देख लिया हार्डवेयर वालों की सोच क्या होती है, हार्ड वर्क वालों की सोच क्या होती है।
We've also had the Q3 data which was released yesterday, and obviously the third quarter, which covered the months of October, November and December, was substantially impacted by the demonetization. Demonetization admittedly had led to a squeeze of currency because this was the period during which the replacement of high denominational currency notes was taking place. And many people were apprehensive as to what its impact on overall growth would be. I had consistently maintained that the revenue figures which actually show the real level of growth indicated that the growth was there, and some areas could be adversely impacted, particularly those which were cash dominated.